Hi friends, I want to show you this perfect idea for a gift. Is this hand warmer, is rechargeable, and it's like this one. As you can see, it's a small and it's like to have the same weight like a egg, and you just turn it on right here in this bottom. You can see these lights that indicate the temperature, and right here you can charge, and comes with this cable to charge your hand warmer, and this beautiful bag to put it on it, so you can carry to any place in your bag. Or is smarter, it's ideal for girls or kids, and the feeling is so warm. So I highly recommended this product for a gift or for use it if you live in a cold place. See you.